Hi, today I will talk about how matplot create a chart by using the Python language. First is import the matplot pyplot as plt. Import this library and rename as a plt. This library is used to creating static, animate, and interactive visualization in Python. The second is import the numpy and name as mp. This mp library is numerical computing in Python, commonly used in array and mathematical operation. The third one is plt.style.use mpl gallery. This gallery is used to control the style like the color, the font, and the grid line. And this is the create data of the y-axis, and this is fig ax plt.subplot. The fig is the overall figures like a content that hold anything. The ax is a specific axis of area where the actual plot will be drawn. Next is the ax.stair. It means the graph, the chart will look like a stair type, and put the y-axis data, and the line width is a 2.5. It's the blue color line, the width of the line. And ax.set is the first is x limitation 0.8. It means the x-axis how many the like a boxes, and x ticks is mp arrange 1 to 8. Is the number tick on the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the y-axis 0 to 8 limitation is the boxes of y-axis, and the y ticks is mp arrange 1 to 8, same like the x-axis number at the x-axis 1 to 7, and plt.show is show the output of the graph. That's all for the graph 1.